on our present and future. It reminds us of the value of freedom and the responsibilities that come with it. As an officer of the Indian Army, I have seen firsthand the strength of our country, not just in its military, but in the resilience, compassion, and unity of its people. We are a nation rich in diversity, different languages, cultures, traditions, but we stand united under one flag. जितने भी मौजूद बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे, मैं उनसे बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आप हमारा फ्यूचर हैं। आपकी ड्रीम्स, एस्पिरेशंस और एक्शंस भारत के कल को बनाएंगे और संवारेंगे। हमें बस यही याद रखना है कि फ्रीडम जो हम आज महसूस कर रहे हैं वो उन लोगों की वजह से है जिन्होंने यूनिटी, स्ट्रेंथ और पावर को समझा। I encourage you all to be proud of our country's heritage and to contribute positively to its future, whether it is by studying or helping a friend or standing up for what is right. Each of you has the power to make a difference. To make a difference, you all can make the difference. And for this, I'd like to share a small incident of my life. मैं अपनी जो मेरी अभी तक की ड्यूटी रही है, जो मेरी अभी तक की ज़िंदगी रही है, उससे मैं आप लोगों के लिए, स्पेशली टू द ब्रेव ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स हियर, आई वांट टू शेयर अ लाइफ, माय इंसिडेंट ऑफ माय लाइफ. आई एम फ्रॉम लखनऊ ओनली. आई स्टडीड हियर ओनली इन आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल, नेहरू रोड. एंड इन माय फैमिली आई एम द ओनली गर्ल. मतलब मेरे जितने भी क्लोज रिलेटिव्स हैं, सब में मेरे भाई हैं. So there is no, I don't have a sister which I can say, you know, to share my thoughts, and all family members who consist are my brothers. So and some of them are elder to me, some of them are younger to me. So what I want to say is that, you know, being in a joint family, you have lot of good things, but with that comes few things also. Like I was not allowed to go out with my friends, you know, to go and spend some time. थोड़ा बाहर जाने में रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे, थोड़ा घूमने में रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे, थोड़ा फ़ोन्स उस टाइम पे नहीं हुआ करते थे. सो आई यूज़ टू आस्क माई मदर. मैं मम्मी से पूछती थी कि मेरे भाई को तो कोई मना नहीं करता, तो मुझे क्यों इतना बाहर जाने के लिए रोकते हैं और बाहर जाने के लिए मना करते हैं. मेरे भैया बोलते हैं कुछ काम है तो हमें बताओ, हम करके लाएंगे, तुमको क्यों जाना है बाहर. सो माई मदर यूज़ टू से कि देन यू डू वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू एंड यू फ्लाई आउट. तुम निकलो घर से बाहर. So since I studied in APS, Army Public School, I'm from Army background, so I knew about AFMC. So I thought that I'll study. मैं पढ़ाई करूँगी. I did not do any coaching or any tuitions. I studied myself, and my only aim was to get out from this, from this place where my independence is not given to me. So I studied. I cleared my exams. I cleared my interviews. I cleared the merit and I got selected. And when I got selected, when I reached Pune, जब मैं पुणे पहुंची, तो मेरे घर से सारे लोग मुझे पुणे छोड़ने आए थे. मेरी पूरी फैमिली मुझे वहाँ छोड़ने आई थी. वो सब रो रहे थे, मैं खुश थी, क्योंकि I have achieved what I wanted. I wanted to be free. I wanted to be independent. I wanted to live a life what I wanted, basically. So that is what I want to tell you all. That जो भी आपको लगता है कि आप अचीव करना चाहते हो, it is you and you only who can do it. Your parents are there to support you, your teachers are there to support you, but it is you who can bring a change to your life. So it is among your hands whether you want to enjoy it or destroy it. And this is I think learning from me, and this learning which I will give to my daughters also. I am blessed with 2 daughters, and I will never ever stop them from things which I was stopped for. So in conclusion, I would like to pin down Mahatma Gandhi ji's lines that be the change you wish to be, and then you can see the change among others. Each one of you can be that change. So let us honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters on this day, and be good citizens and contribute in the nation's development. Jai Hind.